Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and welcome to 36 Crestview Drive in Peregian Springs. We're on a very private, elevated 721 square metres where the owners enjoy a breeze and the perfume of their established gardens. Inside the home, the high ceilings and walls of glass give an overwhelming sense of space and a view of an array of lush tropical gardens. The home is made for entertaining friends and family that can flow from living into the kitchen and dining and out to the outdoor entertaining and pool area. Thanks so much for watching. I heavily recommend you make the time to come and visit this beautiful home. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.